Good morning, everyone, and happy Super Bowl Sunday. So I'm going to share with you guys the best in-store deals at Target. So if you like saving money, definitely subscribe to my channel. If you are new, like this video. If you like Target, just comment Target below, and let's see all the other Target fanatics. So let's just get into it, and happy Super Bowl. So today's video is actually sponsored by Grove Collaborative. So thank you so much, Grove, for working with me again on this video. So when you guys place your first $20 order with Grove Collaborative, you're going to get a free gift set. So this is a limited time for this specific gift set. So when you place your first order, there'll be a link below. You're going to get a free gift set with your first order. And if you're a returning customer, then you are going to get the walnut scrubbers for free. So this month's gift set is going to include the new line of paper products. You're going to get a bath tissue as well as a 6-pack of paper towels, walnut scrubbers, and a Mrs. Meyer's hand soap and dish soap, all for free, guys. So thank you so much, Grove Collaborative, for working with me on this video, and let's just get into the Target deals. You guys, so my first deal is going to be in the baby toiletry section. So the Eucerin Baby Sensitive Skin Eczema Relief Cream. This is priced for $7.59, and there is currently a printable $3 off one coupon, so that drops us down to $4.59. So I'm wanting to share this deal with you guys just in case you don't have a CVS, so you guys would know that CVS has a Eucerin deal running. Spend 20 get 10. So if you don't have a CVS but you have a Target, pop into Target, print this coupon, and you could still get a pretty good deal. You guys, so we have a deal on Gerber formula. So this is the how many ounces? 12.7 ounce. So this is priced for $18.29, and there's a printable $5 off coupon. And what's great about this coupon is it says off any Gerber formula, so there's no size restrictions. So you can do it on these small cans if you would like. So that'll make this $13.29. Also a coupon you can send to Cartwheels. This is a really good deal if it is Formula Week for you guys. So a nice printable coupon for Gerber, which we really don't see Gerber coupons all that often. Alright, you guys, so we have a few different deals on some Valentine's Day fruit snacks. So the Market Pantry 28 count, this is priced for $3.99. There's a 25% off Target Cartwheel you can add to your barcode, so it's going to make that $3. And then the Betty Crocker Fruit by the Foot, this is priced for $4.99, and there's also a 25% off Target Cartwheel that you can add to your barcode, takes $1 off, so it makes it $4. So this is a nice little option if you want to do fruit snacks instead of candy. Alright, so another Valentine's Day deal I have for you guys is on the lint truffles. So these are priced for 2 for $8 or $4 each, and there's currently a printable $1 off one coupon on coupons.com, so that makes them $3 a bag. Starting price is $4.49, so this is a really good deal if you need to get some chocolate for someone special in your life. Alright, you guys, so the 1850 bag coffee by Folgers, this is priced for $6.49, and there's currently a printable $1.50 off one coupon you can print from coupons.com. So that's going to make this bag of coffee just $4.99. So starting price is $6.49, and you're going to get it down to $4.99. If you drink K-Cups, you can also use this coupon on K-Cups. So the 1850 box K-Cups, these guys are priced for $10.89, and then you can go ahead and use that $1.50 off one coupon here, making it just $9.49. Really good deal on the 10-ounce box of Lucky Charms. So these are priced for $2.99, and there is currently a 30% off Target Cartwheel that you can go ahead and add to your barcodes. There's also a Cartwheel for Cinnamon Toast Crunch as well, so they're priced for $2.99, and with that 30% off Cartwheel, it's going to come down to $1.80, and then we have a printable 50% off one coupon, so combining the Cartwheel with the coupon, it makes it $1.30. Well, you guys, so there's a really good deal on the Market Pantry mac and cheese. So these are priced for 71 cents, so the regular price is 79 cents. So it beats the Annie's price, which is 10 for 10. So another deal you could do is on the Annie's mac and cheese. These guys are priced 10 for 10. I tried to print a coupon from Lozo.com, L-O-Z-O.com, and it wasn't available anymore. So if you're in the market for some boxed mac and cheese, 71 cents right here at Target. So fantastic deal. And if you pick up stuff for like food pantry donations, boxed mac and cheese are items that food pantries ask for a lot. Hey guys, so the Stonyfield Organic 4-pouch yogurts, the whole milk yogurts, these are priced for $5.29. In coupons.com, there is a printable $1 off one coupon, so that drops us down to $4.29. have a 75-cent back on one on Ibotta for the Stony Field Organic Kids yogurts, the 4-pack. There is a 75-cent off cashback. Okay, so we have a really good deal on yogurts here at Target. So select yogurts are buy 5 and get 1 free. So a brand that I'm going to highlight to you guys is called the Too Good by Dannon. So first off, there's 2 grams of sugar here, and the total carbs on the back here is 3 grams of carbs for the whole entire container. So if you were following keto, this would be a really good yogurt for you to try. So they're priced for $1.49. So you gotta buy 5 of them. So in total, you're going to get 6 of them for $7.45. Now on coupons.com, there are printable coupons for 50 cents off one. So if you were able to get 4 prints, you could take $2 off, and then there's a coupon you could send to Cartwheel to take an additional 50 cents off. So you would have all 6 of them for $4.95 or 82 cents each. So this is a killer deal. So hop on these coupons, print them, print as many as you can, ask your friends and family to print them. If you're on keto, this is a fantastic deal, you guys. And here are the macros on the yogurt if you are interested. And then also with the yogurt, if you get the Silk Almond yogurt alternative, there is a 50-cent back when you buy 5. So if you get all 5 of the Silk yogurts, then you'll get a 50-cent cash back from Ibotta. Alright, you guys, there's a really nice deal here at Target on Tide. So when you buy 2, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card. So what you want to do is buy 2 of the 92 fluid ounce. So these are priced for $11.99. So you're at $23.98. There is a 5% off Target Cartwheel. You take $1.19 off. So you're going to take $1.19 off with the 5% Cartwheel. Now there's a $1 off 1 coupon that you can use from the P&G from February. And then if you go to savvycouponshopper.com, Llewellyn just posted a printable $3 off 1 coupon. You can go ahead and print from her website. So I'll have her website linked below, but that is a high value coupon. So that's going to take $3 off. So now we're down to $18.79 for both of them. And then you get a $5 Target gift card back, making it $13.79 or $6.89 each. So this is a killer deal. So make sure you head to savvycouponshopper.com and print out that $3 Tide coupon. If you need to opt for the Tide Free and Gentle, the 100 fluid ounce, you get more fluid ounce with this one. It is also priced for $11.99. So if your kids have skin sensitivities, this is a good one to go for. And if you just wanted to come in here and just buy 1 package of Tide, you can pick up the 36 count. They have them priced for $9.99. Use your 5% off to Target Cartwheel. Use that $3 printable coupon, and you're looking to pay around $6.99 for a 36 count of Tide.
Yeah, it's 41. This is next to the pharmacy.
Oh, okay, great. Thank you so much.
Alright guys, so we have a nice little deal on the Up & Up brand disinfecting wipes. This is the 35 count. So these are priced for $1.79, and they are also part of a buy 1 get 20% off. So total is going to be $3.23 for both of them, or just $1.61. So really good deal. Alright guys, so we have a really good deal on Swab Professionals here at Target. So these guys are priced for $2.99 each, and you're going to get a $5 Target gift card when you buy 4 of them. And then we also have $3 off 2 coupons that came in the $1.27 Retail Me Not. So go ahead and use 2 of those coupons. The final cost is going to be 24 cents after you use both of those coupons I mentioned, and you factor in that $5 Target gift card. So great deal on Swab Professionals here at Target. Alrighty, so hopefully I am doing my math right here. This is a Sunday only deal for the Suave Kids Detangler sprays. So these are priced for $2.99. So what you want to do is go ahead and buy 4 of them for You're going to buy 4 of them for $11.96. Now there is a 30% off Target Cartwheel that you can apply to this, which takes $3.58 off. Now you're down to $8.38. And then we have 2 off 2 coupons that came in our Retail Me Not, but it expires today. So you can go ahead and use 2 of those $2 off 2 coupons. So you'll take $4 off of coupons. Now you're down to $4.38. And then you get that $5 Target gift card. So it makes it a 62-cent moneymaker. Am I like seeing this correctly or what? But this is a great deal. And even if you didn't have those coupons, you would go ahead and buy 4 of them for $11.96. Then you'll take $3.58 off, making it $8.38, and then that's how much you would pay, and then you factor in the $5 gift card, making it $3.38 for all 4, or just 84 cents each. So this is a really good deal. So 84 cents each, yeah. You guys, so the Blue Buffalo dog food, this is the 3-pound adult. This is the blue bag, so it is priced for $9.99, and currently on coupons.com there's a printable $5 off 1 coupon. So it's going to make this drop down to just $4.99. So print those coupons, and you can also use this on cat food as well. Alright, you guys, so the Blue Buffalo cat food, this is the 2-pound bag. So this is priced for $8.99, and with that $5 off 1 coupon, it's going to drop it down to just $3.99. So great deal. If you guys do not have any dogs or cats and you want to send me your coupons, I would happily take them off your hands. So another shout out to Grove Collaborative. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. And don't forget to check out the link below to claim your free Grove Collaborative gift set with your first order. And all returning customers will get the walnut scrubbers for free. Thank you guys so much for watching this in-store Target video. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Share this with your friends if you have people in your life who are looking to save money or learning to coupon. If you have any dog or cat mamas and daddas out there, I mean, there's a great deal on that Blue Buffalo dog food. So definitely share that with anyone who is a pet owner. And I will talk to you guys all later. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.